is Tuesday, the 14th of April 2020, and we're in lockdown in the middle of the coronavirus, but we're allowed to go out each day for an exercise. So we normally go out for a walk just up our local road here for sometimes it's half an hour, sometimes it's an hour. So we're not sure. We've done a little bit of gardening today, so we might just do half an hour.
That's brilliant, Andre. So let's say bye bye to the house. There's the house. And now we're going up the road. This is a B road. Used to be an A road, but it's a B road now. And it's very quiet. So on our left, that's the Richies, and you can see the garden is looking immaculate as usual. Alan doesn't have a stone out of place. Just going past Duffy's, and now we're going past McPhillips's up here on the right, building a big house. Oh, bit of tractor action scenery here. This is a glorious day, 14 degrees centigrade. It's remarkable really, because Jay and Denise have got snow in Denver, Colorado. Taylor Park. There's the big stadium on the left. Welcome to Drummond, the home of Lisbon United Football Club. Technically Taylor Park is on the right. That's the second team pitch, or the training pitch. Yeah, anything?
I think this apple casino might work.
You enjoying it? Here they come. Here they come. It's always worth it. It's always worth.
Hello. Hello. Good dog.
As guard dogs, they ain't the fiercest. This road, the Lee Valley Road, but often we just go 15 minutes out and 15 minutes back, so we go back. About turn. Yes, Andrea's got a dress on today.
Yes, why not?
first time I've ever recorded with the GoPro not in its cage. You know, its little waterproof box. You cross over, Andre. There they are. We're friends. Huh? Oh. There they go. Oh, it's calves, isn't it? They normally go a bit wild the first time. Aye.
No, that's the first time. Yeah, sure they came a bit, aren't they?
Yeah. It's not much of a field, was it, really, to be honest. Soon. Hedge, but the fence needs painted. There's your scissors.
Yeah.
Hold on, Andre. Look at her surveying the scene. This is the rose bed that we have dug up and put an edge to and put all the new bark on it. So we're expecting wonderful results from this. Well, I am anyway. There's the lawn, the straight lines. There's the fleet of cars. That's it. The end of the walk. Here she comes. Victory in sight.